Sorry, student. Now, the process of radiation. So, till now, I have told you about transfer of heat by conduction, by convection. Conduction takes place through solids. Convection takes place through fluids, that is liquid or gas. And these two methods, conduction and convection, does not take place when the hot body and cold body are separated by large distance by vacuum. In that process, radiation help. So radiation is a mode of heat transfer which takes place without medium. If any medium is there, then medium has nothing to do with the radiation. Means intervening medium does not affect the process of transfer of heat through radiation. In fact, we are getting heat from sun by this method. What is that which is carrying the radiation from sun? In fact, we are getting heat from sun by a radiation process. Sun is a very hot source, very far away from us. Number two. Then who is that? The transfer of heat in this process is done by electromagnetic waves, which are called infrared radiation. In class 11, not only in class 11, in higher classes also, students do not really understand what is wave. I told that transfer of heat in this process is done by electromagnetic waves, which are called infrared radiation. Light is also a form of electromagnetic wave. There is a wide spectrum of electromagnetic waves. You might have heard X-rays, ultraviolet rays. Sun is source of ultraviolet radiation, visible light, and infrared radiation. I will talk later. So infrared radiation wave, I will be telling you about wave in detail in coming chapter. The wavelength of infrared radiation varies from 7,000, or I should write 7 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. 2 millimeter. Few millimeter. The infrared radiation travel with the speed of light. The infrared radiation, or also called as heat radiation, travel in vacuum with speed 3 × 10⁸ meter per second. Actually, whosoever with the radiation, light wave, electromagnetic wave, ultraviolet, microwave, all travel with the same speed of this vacuum. So heat transfer from sun takes place through electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves do not require medium for their propagation. That's why we are saying like this. Now there is some important discussion. When medium is not heated, when the radiation travel from sun to earth, the air come in between. Okay, above atmosphere, there is vacuum, no problem. But when heat radiation coming from sun travel through air is not heated directly. I told you that medium has nothing to do. Then how our earth become hot in summer and become very cold in winter season? This is very important fact. There is term greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. मैं हेडिंग डालता हूँ उसका. My dear friend, listen to me very carefully. People are telling the things, but not properly. You have learned in class 10. The sun emits ultraviolet visible and infrared radiation. Sun is source of these three radiations. Ultraviolet radiation have wavelength range from 200 to 4000 angstrom. Ultraviolet radiations are not allowed to reach Earth's surface because these radiations are absorbed by ozone layer. ozone layer, ozone gas is taught in class 11 chemistry, and told that ozone plays very important role. It is a layer whose width nearly 30 to 50 kilometers above the surface. Na? It not only ultraviolet radiation, any radiation whose wavelength less than 3000 angstrom. Actually, there is no sharp boundary, but any radiation whose wavelength less than 3000 angstrom is not allowed to enter. They are all absorbed by ozone. So we are saved. Actually, ultraviolet radiation are high energy radiation, and if they fall on our body, they produce harmful effect. Means actually they will ionize the atoms of molecule in our blood cells, and that may cause so many diseases, skin diseases. Now, our atmosphere is quite transparent. Transparent or visible light and infrared radiation. Actually, process of this is not greenhouse effect. ये तो बताना पड़ रहा है हमें. अभी आएगा व्हाट इज greenhouse effect. So we are getting heat and light from sun because our atmosphere is totally transparent for the radiation coming from sun. It is opaque for ultraviolet radiation. So heat radiation reach Earth's surface by absorbing heat radiation. Earth become hot. Hot Earth re-radiate heat radiations of longer wavelength. Longer wavelength is longer than the heat radiation coming from sun. Actually, the infrared radiation coming from sun has shorter wavelength than the infrared radiation coming. There is a relation actually, lambda n into T equal to 2.9 10 to the power minus 3 meter Kelvin. I will tell you, it is called wind displacement law. Wind displacement law. Lambda m into T. So because temperature of Earth very much lower than that of sun, so lambda is longer. These longer infrared radiation emitted by Earth. Are absorbed by some gases like CO2 and water droplets. CO2 being heavier, by our air has nitrogen, oxygen and CO2 gas. This is the heaviest one. Its volume mass 28, 32, 44. So CO2 being heavy remain in lower atmosphere. So only lower atmosphere absorb infrared radiation, and the radiation emitted by Earth do not go to large altitude. A very few radiation in the radiation by Earth can escape. Majority of the infrared radiation are absorbed. This phenomena of absorption of heat radiation emitted by Earth is called greenhouse effect. Actually, this method is used in cold countries to maintain warm temperature to grow plants. How? They make house of glass. Radiation coming from sun can penetrate through the glass and can reach the earth. Then earth radiate emission, emit radiation which are not allowed to go out by glass. They are reflected back and hence maintain temperature. So people tell that process is greenhouse effect. No, that greenhouse effect is used there. Actually, earth receive radiation from heat area from sun, become hot, and hot earth again radiate the radiation. Every hot body, our own bodies are at temperature 37 degrees centigrade. So our body also are emitting radiation. So that is why when in a closed room many people sit together, it becomes warm because we are exhaling CO2 gas. Our body radiating heat radiation. So those radiation are absorbed by CO2, the temperature rises. And so this whole process greenhouse effect. Upper atmosphere remain cool. That is why rain takes place. Actually, water vapor get dissolved with air, and air become lighter after absorbing water vapor. Keep on rising, and upper part of atmosphere is much cooler than lower part, and the water vapor get condensed. And when saturation of solution approach a critical value, so then vapor after freezing, so start falling down. But our people say actually there is a God which is responsible for rain. No. Actually, our God are the sun, the air, water. We are getting life from these. These are our gods. We people are confused. So this was about greenhouse effect. Now, in next video, I will be telling you so many things about radiation. Okay, thank you.